In this video, you will learn 11 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video, you'll learn 11 plus English vocabulary with a story side by side. On the left-hand side, you see the story with simple words, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the story with English vocabulary. Without further ado, let's get started. In a cozy cottage on the outskirts of town, there was a wise father cat named Tom. Tom lived with his playful kittens, and everyone in the neighborhood loved him. Each night, he gathered his little ones around him for bedtime stories. In a cozy cottage on the outskirts of town, a wise father cat named Tom lived with his playful kittens. Tom was an ubiquitous figure in their neighborhood, admired for his eloquent stories and gentle spirit. Each night, he gathered his little ones around him for bedtime tales. One evening, Tom told his kittens a story about a beautiful butterfly that visited their garden. The butterfly's wings were colorful and it flew gracefully, but it was always shy and never came too close. One evening, Tom spun a story about an ephemeral visitor to their garden, an exquisite butterfly. Its wings emitted a mellifluous hum as it fluttered gracefully. But the butterfly remained reticent, always just out of reach, leaving Tom and his kittens captivated and curious. Tom and his kittens decided to make friends with the butterfly. They faced many challenges, like unexpected rain showers and sometimes being a little lazy, but they didn't give up. Undeterred by the butterfly's elusive nature, Tom and his kittens embarked on a meticulous quest to befriend it. They faced countless disparate challenges, from unexpected rain showers to their own occasional procrastination. Yet their spirits remained resilient, and they refused to capitulate. One sunny day, a busy bee came into their garden and disrupted their peace. Tom and his kittens worked together to avoid getting stung. One sunny afternoon, as the family enjoyed the garden, a belligerent bee disrupted their tranquility. With an aesthetic sense of unity, Tom and his kittens worked together to evade the bee's sting. As time went on, Tom and his kittens learned that real friendship is a wonderful thing. Sometimes it can be hard to explain, but it's always there when you need it. With time, Tom and his kittens uncovered the altruistic essence of friendship. They learned that sometimes life's paradoxes lead to the most profound bonds. Amidst the obfuscation of uncertainty, they realized that the depth of true friendship is ineffable. One day, they went into the nearby woods and found two different paths. They had to choose which one to take. Tom was thinking something for a moment and gave the kittens some advice. One fateful day, they ventured into the nearby woods, where they encountered an indomitable conundrum. The path before them diverged into two distinct journeys. Tom, with his perspicacious nature, paused to consider their choices. "Sometimes," he said, with a hint of dissonance in his voice, "life presents us with choices. We must follow our hearts, my dear kittens." They followed one path and discovered a beautiful place filled with amazing things. It was like a dream, and they couldn't believe their luck. With serendipitous fortune, they found a path leading to a serene clearing filled with superfluous beauty. Here, they experienced true cacophony of the senses, where the worries of the world faded into the background. In that special place, they learned that being happy is about enjoying life and being true to yourself, no matter what. In this idyllic place, they understood that pursuing happiness isn't a nefarious pursuit. It's about embracing life's vicissitudes with a blend of melancholy and euphoria, all while staying true to your eclectic self. As time passed, they had more exciting adventures together. They loved each other more and more with each passing day. As the nights passed, their adventures continued, each one more insatiable than the last. Their love for each other grew stronger, bound by an intrinsic connection that nothing could break. Under the moon's gentle light, they all fell asleep, feeling safe and loved. They knew they were part of a family where love, laughter, and togetherness were always present. Under the moon's resplendent glow, they drifted into peaceful slumber. They knew that they were part of a quintessential family where love, laughter, and togetherness were never ending. So now we have quiz time, guys. Be ready to answer in the comments below. So let's get started with the quiz. Put your answer in the comments section. Don't forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. I really would appreciate that. Now it's quiz time, and let's see how much we remembered. I would say don't forget, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. I really would appreciate that.